Hello, welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. Today we are going to make this really cute card using the Sweet Citrus bundle. This was a card we made at a card group again, and it was a kit that Tanya from Stampin' with Tanya Badelka put together. So I'm just going to use this for my video today. We've got a 4 1/4 by 3 piece of basic white that's been embossed with the embossing folder. Then we've got a 4 1/2 by 3 1/4 in pale papaya to mat it with. And then we've got a 5 1/8 by 3 7/8 piece of basic white matted onto a 5 1/4 by 4 piece of the pale papaya, all on a card base. So let's just build this card. I'm going to pop all the sizes down here so that you can reference them. Don't have to run and get a piece of paper and stop the video. They'll be there all the time for you. Okay, so what we need to do, this is already flat mounted on, and there's no dimensionals there. So we're going to flat mount the embossed basic white onto the pale papaya mat. Just drop that down like that. And then this gets dimensionalized onto here. And I'm going to use the last of the sticky strips from the Paper Pumpkin kit and just put those on. I love an empty sheet of dimensionals. Never throw your edges away. You can always cut them up and use them. So there we go. We will flat mount this down now, or flat mount. We'll dimensionalize this, and you can decide which way up you want your fruit to go, if you want it that way or if you want it this way. I'm going to do it this way because then the leaves are going up, and this just gets dropped down in the center like that. Then we're going to dimensionalize the one orange or grapefruit, whatever you are interpreting it as for this card. Just pop those off to the side, and then this goes down first like that. And then the other one, the smaller one, will go, and I'm just going to put one there. And again, you trim your edges and use your edges like this. And this just sits down like this. And then you have a choice. You can dimensionalize or you can flat mount your leaves, and I'm going to flat mount them just to help give the oranges or grapefruit just that little bit of extra lift so they really appear to be jumping off the page. So we're going to do this like this. Just tuck those in, and then we are going to dimensionalize this piece. So, and because most of the work was already done, this one is super quick to build, but super simple to do as well. You just need to do your stamping, and then you need to do your die cutting, and then you need to do your embossing folder. So we're just going to lay this down like this, and there we go. There is our really super quick to put together card using our Sweet Citrus bundle. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.